was very fun. Had an awesome time.
So, and just one more question on the boot camp. What would you
Sure.
say, I guess, out of everything like that you learned and did, what was probably like your favorite part?
Wow.
Or favorite, I guess, favorite thing that you like to learn about, or favorite thing that you did?
So there was a lot that I liked, but I'd have to say the number one thing that I really enjoyed was the opportunity or the hands-on experience on how to talk to the customer and be able to handle their objections when they come. And I know that may sound a little weird. I mean, why would I like handling objections or anything? But
Yeah.
the reason why it was, I enjoyed it a lot is because when you have a customer and they have a quote unquote objection,
Yeah.
it's not necessarily something where they're saying they don't want what you have. It's just another way of them saying, I don't necessarily understand what you're trying to provide. Clarify it to me some more.
Right.
And so it allowed me to use the skills that I have to dig deeper into what those objections are, and not to necessarily take it personally, but to be able to uncover more and just dig deeper. And I'm happy to say I was successful in overcoming those objections by showing the value of what product I had in my practice, and being able to help them understand, like, listen, I'm not really here to sell your product. I'm here to help bring value to what you're already doing. You're doing a great job at your company. I'm here to help you to do it better.
Right. That's great. No, that's a great way of thinking it, because I feel like a lot of times, like when really in tech, cybersecurity, I think like when people think sales, they think like somebody's trying to get over on them. Like, hey, buy my product. And I think what you said there is key of like, hey, I'm here to provide value. Like what's your problem? You know, tell me what the issue is. And I can tell you, hey, our products, our service offerings, we can help with that.
Exactly.
Instead of, I think what I've heard from other people, what they don't like is, hey, we have this product and we'll fit it in to your organization no matter what. And it's just like, well, you know, your product may not be providing value, and that's probably the only reason I'm going to, you know, make a deal here.
Right.
So the value, I like how you said, like, the value has to come first. Then we talk about, you know, basically the execution. How do we productize that? How do we put together an offering for you?
Absolutely. And can